Welcome to Healthy Care Over 50. As we grow older, maintaining healthy blood circulation in our legs becomes more than just a matter of comfort, it's a vital aspect of our overall well-being. For millions of people, especially those over 50, simple tasks like walking or standing can turn into daily struggles due to poor circulation. This discomfort, whether it manifests in your feet, knees, or legs, is often a sign of deeper issues that many overlook until it becomes too serious to ignore. Blood circulation isn't just about keeping your limbs warm, it's essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to every part of your body, supporting healing, and keeping your organs functioning at their best. When circulation is impaired, it can lead to varicose veins, atherosclerosis, swollen feet, muscle cramps, numbness, and even slow-healing wounds. But here's the good news: you don't have to resign yourself to these problems. There are proactive steps you can take to improve your circulation, starting with the right nutrients. Today, we're going to talk about 4 specific vitamins that have been scientifically proven to help improve circulation, especially in the legs. These vitamins not only support blood flow but also help reduce inflammation and strengthen your blood vessels. And here's the exciting part: stick around until the end because I'll be revealing the most powerful of these vitamins, one that can truly transform your circulation and give you the energy and mobility you may have been missing. This incredible vitamin can be found in many common, affordable foods, so improving your circulatory health doesn't have to break the bank. So, if you're ready to take control of your leg health, reduce discomfort, and get back to moving with ease, then you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Our legs and feet are especially prone to poor circulation, largely because they are the farthest from the heart and depend heavily on our vascular system to receive a constant flow of oxygen-rich blood. Circulatory problems in these areas can develop well before noticeable symptoms like fatigue, limb pain, or that uncomfortable pins and needles sensation set in. While this can occur naturally as part of the aging process, it is also frequently tied to certain health conditions. One such condition is peripheral artery disease, PAD, which results from atherosclerosis, where arteries narrow and stiffen due to plaque buildup. Venous issues also play a role, such as chronic venous insufficiency, where the veins have difficulty returning blood to the heart. Additionally, diabetes is a significant factor in circulatory issues, as elevated blood sugar levels over time can damage blood vessels, reducing their ability to transport blood efficiently. How can you tell if you're dealing with poor circulation? Here are 6 key warning signs you should be aware of. First up is that familiar yet uncomfortable sensation of numbness or tingling in your legs and feet. This often happens after sitting or standing for prolonged periods, and it's your body's way of signaling that something's off. It can even be painful at times. Another indicator is persistent coldness in your feet, even when you're in a warm environment. This isn't just a case of feeling a bit chilly, it's because your blood isn't circulating well enough to keep your feet warm. Cramps are another red flag, especially if they occur after walking or exercising. When your muscles aren't getting enough oxygen due to poor blood flow, they can cramp up, turning what should be a healthy activity into a struggle. Additionally, watch for changes in your skin color, particularly on your legs or feet. Poor circulation can make your skin look pale, bluish, or even reddish. This is usually more noticeable in cold weather or after long periods of inactivity. Varicose veins, which many people recognize, are more than just a cosmetic concern. These bulging, twisted veins under the skin signal that blood isn't flowing efficiently. They become more common with age, and though they're more frequent in women, men can experience them too. They occur when weakened veins allow blood to pool or even flow backward. Lastly, There's restless leg syndrome, RLS, where you feel an almost uncontrollable urge to move your legs, especially when you're trying to relax. It's not just fidgeting, this condition often comes with sensations like tingling, itching, or even burning, making it incredibly hard to find relief. If you're experiencing any of these signs, it might be time to assess your circulation and take action to improve it. Now that you're more familiar with the language of poor circulation and its warning signs, let's explore 4 vitamins that can help improve this common condition. Remember, the 4th vitamin is our most recommended, the most powerful, the number 1 champion for circulation. 1. Vitamin K. Vitamin K is an essential nutrient that our body needs for various functions, most importantly for the proper absorption of proteins responsible for blood clotting, which prevents excessive bleeding. It oxygenates all the veins, organs, and arteries in the human body. Besides preventing varicose veins, it also helps avoid other circulatory diseases. Vitamin K, particularly vitamin K2, activates a protein called osteocalcin, which helps direct calcium to your bones and teeth, preventing it from depositing in your arteries. This is crucial for bone strengthening and in the prevention of osteoporosis. This vitamin can also prevent arteriosclerosis, hardening of the arteries, and improve blood flow in your lower limbs. Phylloquinone, or vitamin K1, is the primary form of this vitamin and is mainly found in dark green vegetables like broccoli, kale, and spinach, as well as in some fruits like kiwis, strawberries, and grapes. Besides these foods, vitamin K is also found in nuts, chestnuts, pistachios, meats, cheeses, and soybeans. 2. Vitamin B3, niacin. Vitamin B3, also known as the silent hero, plays a crucial role in strengthening blood vessels and improving blood flow. It's a water-soluble vitamin that's essential for the proper functioning of your body. Like other B vitamins, B3 is vital for your nervous system, helping it stay in top condition. Just as it supports your blood, it also helps your skin shine and look youthful. Niacin lowers bad cholesterol and raises good cholesterol, which is crucial for better blood flow. It's also great for your brain and might even help protect against cognitive decline as you age. Interestingly, studies have shown that vitamin B3 can have positive effects on people with type 2 diabetes by improving insulin sensitivity. You can find this super nutrient in foods like chicken, fish, tuna, eggs, beets, lentils, nuts, seeds, and legumes, as well as in fortified baked goods and cereals. However, as with all vitamins, moderation is key. Overdoing it on niacin can cause your skin to turn red and feel hot temporarily. 3. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Beyond boosting your immune system, vitamin C helps prevent blood clots by supporting the proper function of the cells that line your blood vessels. It's essential for collagen production, a structural protein that helps maintain the integrity of your blood vessels. Collagen strengthens the walls of your arteries and veins, which can help prevent the appearance of varicose veins and other circulation-related issues. By strengthening blood vessels and reducing inflammation, vitamin C can help improve blood flow in your lower limbs. This is particularly beneficial for those experiencing circulatory problems like tired legs or restless leg syndrome. You can find this small but mighty vitamin in foods like oranges, tangerines, lemons, kiwis, strawberries, and papayas. Other foods that also contain vitamin C, though in smaller amounts, include lettuce, artichokes, pineapple, bananas, spinach, avocados, apples, carrots, plums, squash, and beets. It's worth noting that to preserve the vitamin C content in these foods, it's important to consume fruits and vegetables fresh. Don't leave fruits like strawberries, papaya, kiwi, or oranges peeled and exposed to air and light for too long, as these factors can decrease the vitamin C present in the food. But how much vitamin C should you consume daily? Health experts recommend that boys should aim for about 90 milligrams daily, while girls should target around 75 milligrams, which is roughly equivalent to a medium-sized orange. Your intake may vary depending on your lifestyle habits, age, and gender. 4. Vitamin E. And now, let's move on to our hero of circulation, the most powerful, our top recommendation for today, vitamin E. Vitamin E is an essential nutrient with antioxidant properties, meaning it protects body tissues from damage caused by substances called free radicals. Free radicals can harm cells, tissues, and organs, and they also impact blood circulation and cardiovascular health, including that of your legs and feet. This vitamin is a fat-soluble vitamin essential for the functioning of the body due to its antioxidant action and its anti-inflammatory properties that help improve the immune system, skin, and hair. It also helps prevent certain diseases like atherosclerosis and Alzheimer's. It protects endothelial cells, the cells that line blood vessels, from oxidative stress. By protecting these cells, vitamin E helps maintain the health of blood vessels and good circulation in the legs and feet. It also helps form red blood cells and widens blood vessels to prevent blood from clotting within them. One of its key mechanisms of action involves nitric oxide, a molecule that plays a crucial role in dilating blood vessels, allowing them to relax and expand. This dilation not only improves circulation but also helps lower blood pressure, further benefiting cardiovascular health. To improve circulation, there are a few simple yet highly effective practices that you can easily integrate into your daily routine. A great place to start is by elevating your legs while seated, using a small 20 cm step. This gentle elevation, when paired with circular ankle movements or flexion and extension exercises, can make a significant difference. Try doing this for about 10 minutes, aiming for 2 sets of 15 repetitions. Another helpful technique is walking on tiptoes, particularly on soft or uneven surfaces. This strengthens the muscles in the soles of your feet, improving overall muscle stability and promoting circulation. Cold showers can also be surprisingly beneficial. Showering your feet and knees with cold water, and gradually moving upward for about 3 minutes, encourages both your capillaries and muscles to contract, which stimulates blood flow. Additionally, incorporating a gentle leg massage into your evening routine can be a fantastic way to boost circulation. Start from your feet and work upward, applying steady pressure or intermittent squeezing as you move toward your thighs. This relaxing practice not only promotes better blood flow but also prepares your body for a more restful night's sleep. Taking care of your health, especially improving your blood circulation, is one of the best investments you can make for your overall well-being and long-term vitality. By incorporating the right vitamins and healthy daily habits into your routine, you can experience significant improvements in how you feel every day. Remember, small changes like proper nutrition and gentle exercises can lead to big benefits over time. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Someone you know might really appreciate it. But don't stop there. If you're serious about taking charge of your health, especially as you get older, make sure to subscribe to the Healthy Care Over 50 channel. Here, you'll find a wealth of tips, advice, and actionable steps tailored to people over 50 who want to stay healthy, active, and informed. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when new content is available, helping you stay on top of your health journey. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.